EasyStore's Stripe integration makes payments seamless and secure. Today, let's explore how to quickly integrate Stripe as a payment gateway into your online shop using EasyStore. In your Joomla backend, from Components, navigate to EasyStore and select Settings. Then, go to Payments. Once you're in the payment settings, click the Add Payment Gateway button. From the list of available payment methods, locate Stripe and add it as your desired method. Now click on the Setup button next to Stripe to begin the configuration process. Provide a title for this payment method, such as Stripe Payment, for easy reference. Choose between Live or Test, depending on whether you want to test payments or process real transactions in a production environment. To connect Stripe with EasyStore, you'll need your secret key and webhook secret key. Let's take a look at how you can acquire these credentials. First, log into your Stripe dashboard, then navigate to API keys from the developer's menu. For a live environment, click on Create Secret Key, then select the first option as you will be using this as an EasyStore integration. For this tutorial, we will demonstrate the transaction in the test environment. You can toggle between test mode and live mode. In both environments you will find the publishable key and secret key under the Standard Keys section. We will only use the secret key for our plugin. Copy the secret key and paste it on the designated field in the EasyStore's settings. Next, to obtain your webhook secret key, navigate to Webhooks from the developer's menu. Click on the Add Destination button, and then, choose between your account or connected accounts to determine the event source. To ensure smooth operations, select the Session Completed event from the checkout. Then under Payment Intent, choose the Cancelled, Partially Funded, and Payment Failed events. Once you are happy, click Continue. Select Webhook Endpoint as your destination type. Then enter the endpoint URL and optional description and click Create Destination. This will generate the webhook keys. Please note that you need to copy the key associated with the signing secret to use it with this plugin. After copying the key, navigate back to EasyStore's settings. Paste it into the designated field for the webhook signing secret key. If you prefer an automated setup, you can generate the webhook by clicking Press to create the webhook URL. Use the Payment Instructions field to provide any additional details or special notes about this payment method. Once all fields are configured, click on Save. Make sure to enable the Stripe payment option. After saving the changes, head over to your checkout page. Your customers can now select Stripe as their preferred payment method to complete their transactions. After clicking on Proceed to Payment, customers will be redirected to the Stripe payment page where they must enter their information based on their selected payment method. Once that's done, they can seamlessly buy their products by clicking the Pay button. And that's it. Integrating Stripe with EasyStore is that simple. Stay tuned for more tutorials on EasyStore.